Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson with Joshua's guitar, and today we're learning how to play Hey Joe in open E tuning with a slide. So let's get to it. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to go over our tuning. So we're in open E today, so that's going to be from the low E string, E, B, E, G sharp, B, and E. It's an E chord. Okay, so let's start with the hardest part, which is going to be the intro. Okay, so usually how you play with your finger. With your slide, I find it easier to skip a string. So we're going to start on the G string, and we're going to using our thumb and our index finger, we're going to go G string, slide up, and slide back. And at the same time, we're plucking the high E, open high E string. Okay. And then we're going to the D string. The G string. That's going to be it's going to be 6th fret. 7th fret, 6 to 8 and back. Okay, 6th fret to 8th fret and back. 6, 8, 6. Okay, and then we're going to go over to the D string with the high B string, and we're going to go, and we're sliding down from 7 to 5. Okay, 7 to 5. And then we're hitting the 3rd fret on the D string, and then open, or you can just do open E, A, and D strings. Okay, so it should sound like this. Sorry. And then I'm doing an upstroke with my pointer and middle finger on the high B and E string. Okay, so that's probably the hardest part, and then we're going to go. Okay, so again, I'm doing that upstroke at the end, but for there we're going sliding into the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, and then that uptick again on the B and E strings. So all together, the intro sounds like this. Okay, and then we're going to go. And right there, I'm just hammering on, you can do it with your slide. Hammering on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then the open D string, which is an E note. Okay, then we're going to get right into the chords, which is the easy part of this song. So we're going to slide up to the 8th fret, which is a C chord, and then we're going back down to the 3rd fret, which is a G chord. So again, C, 8th fret, G, 3rd fret, D is the 10th fret, so we're going to D, to A, 5th fret, and then up to E, which is an octave, and that's going to be on the 12th fret. Okay? Okay, so the chord progression again. You kind of see that strumming pattern. Okay. Okay, so it's like a down, 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 up. Okay, and then when we get to this E chord right here, you can go on the 12th fret of the A string. Okay, and you hear that in the song. And you're going, basically going 12 on the B string to 10 on the D string. Okay, so 12 B string, 10 on the D string. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for dropping by with Joshua's Guitar, and that was the lesson how to play Hey Joe on slide guitar and open E tuning. If you like this video, make sure you like it, and make sure you share it with everyone you know. And if you have something to say, maybe you want another song you want me to do, please leave it down in the comments below. You don't have anything to say, just say something. And if you enjoyed lessons here at Joshua's Guitar, make sure you subscribe. And that's going to be it for today. Bye for now.